honor for me to be here. It's my first ever performance, performing in such a prepared manner. I've never been here. It's a really big day for me today. Good evening, ma'am. Good evening, sir. Okay. Did do any of you have an idea or a clear image of how global warming is? Like, what is global warming? Any of you? Anyone?
Global warming is pollution. Earth is getting warmer, and there is a hole to the ozone layer.
Yes. Global warming is caused due to the constant emission of the poisonous gases from industries, vehicles, etc. into the atmosphere. The atmosphere cannot use these gases. They are trapped inside, which causes to the rise of the temperature on the earth, which ultimately is a very harmful activity for the earth. It has a very harmful effect. There There are many ways to prevent it as well. The IPCC, which is the Intergovernment Panel of Climatic Change, has said that 95% of global warming is caused due to the release of harmful gases from the industries, and even the emission from the smoke, like the factories which emit smoke also cause this effect. This caused the rise of 1.4 degrees in the temperature since 1991. There are many ways to control or stop. Any of you have an idea of how to stop or control global warming? Anyone?
Increase the green belt.
Exactly, planting more trees. With the planting of more trees, the CO2, which is the main harmful gas caused for the global warming, is used, and planting more trees may stop or slow the rate of global warming. Nextly, reduce of usage of less fossil fuels. There are two ways of reducing or usage of fossil fuels, such as using non-polluting energy such as solar wind, and even reduce usage of waste, like dumping the waste into the soil produces methane, which is another gas used for global warming. If we stop dumping of such materials into the landforms, may be useful for stopping, may help us stopping in reducing the global warming.